Hi folks, I'm Doug Hensley, President of Hertz Real Estate Services, and I'm coming to you today with our March 2026 Farmland Market update. If you look outside your window, you know that the days are getting longer and the winter season is soon to give way to spring renewal and all that comes with it. It also brings the conclusion to the busiest time of year for farmland sales, which normally runs from early September through late March each year. It's the off-season when there are no growing crops, and it's also when most farmland leases expire and open up, both of which make selling a farm more attractive and slightly easier. It's not to say that farms don't or can't sell during the growing season or with a lease in place. Many do sell under those circumstances each year, but a strong majority of farmland transactions occur each year during the off-season. In the Midwest land market, in some ways I sense that we're currently approaching spring planting with a little more pep in our step compared to recent years. With all the new marketplace uncertainty from the Iran war, the spike in global oil prices, which is positively impacting prices for other commodities, and the recent Supreme Court decision striking down President Trump's tariffs, corn and soybeans have both rallied in recent weeks and are currently trading near their 52-week highs. In addition, farmers are benefiting from the late February and March release of $30 to $45 per acre bridge payments from USDA for soybean and corn production, respectively. These are not enormous payments in total, but they are a meaningful cash flow boost coming into the crop year. So, while agriculture has endured a couple consecutive years of difficult news and market realities, the approach of the 26 growing season seems slightly more positive. The steady farmland market has performed at the top end of expectations for many market watchers and participants this winter. With such weak grain prices for much of 2025 and into the first quarter here in 2026, many have assumed that farmland values should and would be weakening. But we continue to see strong demand for land brought to the market. I want to clearly say again, as I have a couple different times over the past year, that demand for land is less than it was during the period from 2021 through 2023 when we enjoyed such strong profits in agriculture. But sale volumes or supply of farms being brought to the market have also shifted much lower than during the go-go period a few years back, and thus far, demand for land in general continues to absorb the supply being brought to the market at mostly steady price levels. And in fact, both the Chicago Fed and the Iowa chapter of the Realtors Land Institute have recently reported resilience in Midwest land values. Will it continue? I'm optimistic that 2026 is shaping up to be an improvement from both 2024 and 2025. To be clear, not everything is moving in a positive direction, but I currently see more marketplace positives than negatives. As always, we'll be keeping our eyes focused on the market for you, and we are always ready to have a conversation with you about your farm. Reach out to us here at hertz.ag or call us anytime at 800-593-LAND. We look forward to the opportunity to assist you.